Yeah, very good evening, students. First of all, I congratulate you for getting promotion in the next class, and I welcome you on this YouTube channel of Subhashan Academy. Today, I am going to discuss some question answers of your chapter "The Best Christmas Present in the World" in your book Honeydew for class 8 English. These questions are very important, students, as it is given in your exercise. Beside these questions, there are also comprehension questions in your chapter, and you have to do it your own. I am only discussing here the given question answers in your textbook. The first question is, for how long do you think Coney had kept Jim's letter? Give reasons for your answer. Coney had kept Jim's last letter till January 25, 1915. The letter was dated December 26, 1914. Question number 2. Why do you think the desk had been sold and when? The desk had been sold when Coney's house had burnt. The roll-top desk had been damaged by fire as well as by water. Students, these small questions are very important because in your unit test exams there will be only optional questions. Means one question will have at least 4 options. So you have to prepare the small questions from the long questions. Question number 3. Why do Jim and Hans think that games and sports are good ways of resolving conflicts? Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts because both have seen this live. On the day of Christmas, the Jawans of both armies congratulated each other and played a football match happily, and they welcomed each others warmly. Question number 4. Do you think the soldiers of the two armies are like each other or different from each other? Find evidence from the story to support your answer. Answer is there. Yes, I think the soldiers of the two armies are like each other and not different from each other. They love peace and hate wars. From the story, we came to know that they called each other and wished Happy Christmas and sang their Christmas song, that is carol and chorus. Question number 5. Mention the various ways in which the British and German soldiers become friends and find things in common at Christmas. Answer is there. British and German soldiers became friends on Christmas morning. Both Germans and British belonged to different camps, but their festival was same. First, German soldiers waved a white flag from their trenches and called the British soldiers in no man's land and wished a Happy Christmas. In response, one of the British soldiers shouted back, Happy Christmas too. Thus, one by one, they get up from their trenches and meet one another and wished a Happy Christmas and played a football match, and head officer of German soldiers named Hans Wolf approached to Jim, the captain of British army, and shook hand warmly, and both talked about their profession and location. Both German and British soldiers hate war and love peace, and they knew that on Christmas no one will fight and use rifles. Question number 6. What is the Christmas present for Coney? Why it is the best Christmas present in the world? Jim's last letter, which was lost in the house when it caught fire, is the Christmas present for Coney. This letter was given by the writer as he found it in a junk shop in a roll-top desk. It is the best Christmas present in the world because Coney loved her husband very much, and he was in war with Germany, and on the occasion of Christmas he wrote this letter to her loving wife, Coney. Do you think the title of this story is suitable for it? Can you think of any other title? Yes, The title of this story is suitable for it, but I can think of any other title for this lesson, that is the Christmas festival that has joined the soldiers of both countries, the Germany and the Britishers, the Germans and the Britishers. Another title for this could be the best ways to resolve the war. Now the second chapter is student, the ant and the cricket. The cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" Why? When does he say it and why? The cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" when he had nothing to eat, as he enjoys in the sunny days, in the winter, in sunny days, and when the winter came, he enjoyed in the summer sunny days, and when the winter came, he had nothing to eat, as he finished his food and did not collect food for winter. Neither a borrower nor a lender be, means one should not take anything from anyone. That should be gained by your own work, and never should give anything to anyone who is accustomed to do so occasionally. What is your opinion of the ants principle? My opinion is very clear to ants principle. Neither a borrower nor a lender be, because this will give a lesson to the person who do not work hard for their living and enjoy it fully when they had a lot to spend. The ant tells to cricket to dance the winter away. Do you think the word dance is appropriate here? If so, why? The ant tells the cricket to dance the winter away. Do you think the word dance is appropriate here? If so, why? Yes, the word dance is appropriate here because the cricket says that he sang in the summer. So he got answer by the ant to dance. Now the third chapter is student, the tsunami. There are some informations about oceans in the world. There are 5 oceans in the world, that is Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. And there are 7 continents on the earth, that is African continents, Antarctica continents, Asian continents, European continents, North American continents, South American continents and Australian continent. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is an union territories of India. It is a group of territories. It is a group of many small islands. It is in the Bay of Bengal. It is in south direction of Bengal and can be said in the Bay of Bengal. The word tsunami has been taken from Japan. Tsu, T-S-U, Tsu means port or harbor, and Nami means wave. So tsunami means group of strong waves caused by earthquakes or volcano explosion. It displaces a lot of water, so it causes strong waves and brings disaster. जैसा कि स्टूडेंट्स आपने देखा कि मैंने सुनामी वर्ड के बारे में यहाँ पे कुछ बताया हुआ है। एक्चुअली सुनामी वर्ड जापानी वर्ड है। सु मीन्स होता है हार्बर या बंदरगाह जिसको कहते हैं, और नॉमी मीन्स होता है स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव्स। और स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव्स ओशियंस में कैसे आते हैं? वो अर्थक्वेक या वोल्केनो एक्सप्लोजन से आते हैं। जब अर्थक्वेक्स आते हैं या एक्सप्लोजन्स होते हैं तो ये जो ओशियंस होते हैं उसके नीचे ओशियंस के अंदर कई तरह की प्लेटें होती हैं, यानी अर्थ की प्लेटें होती हैं, तो वो डिस्प्लेस होती हैं जिससे कि डिजास्टर्स आते हैं। The first question is there, students. The answer is when Ignatius felt the earthquake, he does not worry immediately about tsunami because he put down his television set of the table on the ground carefully so that it would not broken. Then he and his family rushed out of the house. Question है, which sentence in the text tells you that Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss, plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? The answer is that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action as his wife got up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake when it stopped. The family saw the sea rising, and in chaos and confusion, two of the children, his father-in-law, brother-in-law, and his wife swept away in the tsunami. क्वेश्चंस है यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स हैं और उसके आंसर्स यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं. क्वेश्चन है, हाउ आर मेघना एंड आल्मस हैव सेम या सिमिलर स्टोरीज. 13 years old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. In the same way, Alma's father, grandfather, her mother, and aunt were washed away in the tsunami. But Alma somehow saw a floating log of wood and climbed on it. Then she fainted. Thus both Meghna and Almas were saved by log of wood in the tsunami. Question है, what are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were there in their place? Tilly started screaming at her family to get off of the beach to see the rising and foaming and forming whirlpool in the water. She remembered that geography lesson of tsunami video. She talked about the earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical. Seeing the behavior of Tilly, her parents think that something serious must be going so. They took her and her sister along with lot of tourists out of the hotel. Out of the beach to a hotel. Thus Tilly and her tsunami lesson saved many lives. If I was in their place, I also did the same, as Tilly was saying. Question number 5. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she should share it? With her parents or her geography teacher? If Tilly's award was to be shared, it should be shared to both her parents and her geography teacher, because both played their roles properly, as Tilly's parents admit her and left the beach at once, and Tilly told them so because few weeks before her teacher had shown a video of tsunami. So both played a good role, and Tilly became able to save many lives. What are two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense, so they know when the earth is going to shake. Due to their sixth sense, they are able to know anything bad happening on the earth before human beings. So very few animals were killed in the tsunami. Elephants screamed and ran far higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. Near about 150,000 people in dozen countries were killed in the tsunami, but very few animals were killed in the tsunami. So, students, in this way, I have finished the question answers of the three chapters. Now, you have to learn these questions, students, and note down these question answers in your notebook, students, and upload it as soon as it possible on SCA app. I will check it immediately. Thank you very much and have a nice day.